Plugins are hurting your website. I know they give you additional features and functionalities, but the cost of having too many plugins on your WordPress website are immeasurable or is immeasurable, especially if conversions is your goal. So why do I say this? Most plugins come with an extra code base. So every plugin you add to your website becomes an extra load. And that means that your website will have to become much slower or the load speed will drop. If you're somebody who relies on conversions like purchases or checkouts, it means that your product pages will load much slower. Of course, there are other factors, but this is one of the most important parts that you need to fix. So when you're starting out, it is usually easier to just use a free theme, one that gives you the basic functionalities. And as time goes by, if you're running an e-commerce shop on WordPress, then you will need additional features, things like mail marketing, things like additional pop-ups, or just a few customizations in there. This will mean that you'll have to look for a plugin to attach to your website to be able to get this feature. And like we said, the more plugins you add, the heavier your website becomes, or the more code is added to the core codes or core theme of your website. So how do you solve this? There are multiple options. I would say two main options. Number one is purchasing a premium theme that comes with all of the basic features or the important features that you need your website to have incorporated within the website theme that you buy. Now, there are different platforms where you can buy themes for specific or for particular website. You can try things like ThemeForest or Envato, which is a platform that sells these themes. The second option is looking for a developer. Now, this option might be slightly more expensive because building a website from scratch requires a lot of resources, not just for you, but for the developer too. So you can hire a developer and draft a design that explains every single feature that you need on your website, and it will mean that every single item will be within a single code base that is the core of your website, and it will be hosted in your hosting platform, or if you're using services like GitHub before you get to implement or publish this website. So if you have a WordPress website, go into the plugin section, look for the unnecessary plugins that you're not using, features that are not necessary, delete or uninstall them, and you will see a difference in the speed of your website. If you've reached a point where you can scale or you can make a change, upgrade to a premium theme so that you let go of the extra plugins that will make your website heavier. And if you're just starting out and you haven't built a website yet, if you have the ability to purchase a premium theme, do so. But remember, you have to do your research because there are also themes with code bases that are disorganized, and that also affects the website speed. Or if you can, hire a developer and have them build your website from scratch so that everything is within one place. It is clean, it is efficient, and it does not affect the load speed of your website. If you need or if you want to watch similar WordPress tutorials and guides, make sure you like this, share it, and subscribe to the channel for similar guides that will help you improve your website, set some things on your own, and also increase conversions.